Hello students, the question is from uh, digital. So the question is, we have to find the seventh complement of 64.2 base 8, and we have to find out this complement in a decimal. We have to represent this complement in a decimal. Okay, so while for finding R's complement, any R's complement, we will do like R minus 1, and R A. So we will subtract like A B C, whatever it is, we will subtract, and that will be the answer. Okay, so here as already given that we have to find out the seventh complement. Okay, so what it will be, this R will be the base which is given, okay, point, and the rest will be this part, the complement part. So our value is 64.2, right? So it will be 7.7, so it will be minus from 642 because ABC is ABC. So it will be 5, 3 and 1, that is 13.5 base 8. Okay, so this is the seventh complement. I'm not changing the base. Remember, here is the base 8. Okay, and we have to find out the R's complement. Fine. So it will be R minus 1, R minus 1. That's why this 7 has come. Okay. So now this is base 8. Now we have to convert it into decimal. So what we have to do, that will be 8 to the power of 1 into 1 plus 3 into 8 to the power of 0 plus this 5 by 8, correct? So this will be 8 plus 3.625, so it will be 11.625. So answer is C. Thank you.